a kind of strange edition of Tower TV. We got out of the house a little bit. We're staying safe away from people at the track at Eli Field. I figured you guys want to see a little bit of fun with some nitro cars. So I got my Team Losi Racing 8X out on the track. We're going to do some laps. Hope you enjoy. Kind of that getting out of the house video for at least me, kind of doing a little track day here at Eli. As you could probably tell, the track's a little rough, it's a little crumbly. This is the first time since last fall we've actually been out here. Spring's just kind of starting here in Illinois, so we haven't had a chance to redo the track, but other than that, pretty fun day. So I hope you guys can get outside, kind of get off the couch, have some fun, and stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching.